Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. Today is another giveaway drawing. Oh, hold on. There we go. My light was acting funny. For the 50,000 subscriber celebration. So all month long, every Friday, I am doing a giveaway drawing for the paper collections that I have collected over the years doing videos with you guys. I've always purchased an extra set of the paper collection, or I would purchase, like, we didn't use this in video, this one here, but I purchased 2 sets just in case, because I was gonna maybe use it. Does that make sense? Okay, so last week we had 3 winners. I decided to do 3 winners last week. This week we're doing 2, but I also wanted to say that you have a week to contact me via the special email that's linked down below, and if I don't hear from the winners, then the paper collection will go back into the set drawings. So the reason I was telling you that is because if you don't contact me and you don't claim your winnings, then that paper collection will be in the next drawing. So that being said, I haven't heard from one of the people from last week, but I had the wrong date in the description box, so I'm going to give her one more day. So if I don't hear from her, then I will include that paper collection in next week's drawing. Okay, so this week all of the special information, all of the how you enter and all of that is down below, but all you have to do is leave a comment on one of the videos or all of the videos. I just picked a video at random. Actually, I didn't pick the video, but you how to enter is you leave a comment below the videos of the album that we're currently working on, which is the Prima Mosaic, basically amazing 8-size album. So there's a playlist link down below. You can skip the first 3 videos in that playlist because they're about the introduction and all of that jazz. So you just go and leave a comment, and then I will pick a video at random, and then I will use the YouTube comment picker and pull in the URL for the specific video that I pick, and then I will pull the comments up and it will pick, you know, a winner from the comments. That's the only way that's the best way I can think of to do this type of drawing. Okay, let's see. What else was I going to tell you? Okay, so I asked my husband's working from home today, so I asked him to pick a number between 1 and 11 at random, and he picked 8. So we're using video 8 for today's giveaway drawing. Also, I wanted to say, my son, today's really a special day. I'm kind of a little sad. My son we're taking him to the dorm today, to the college dorm. He's starting today. And I'm super excited for him, but I'm also like super sad for myself. But anyway, so there's a lot going on in the house today, so you might hear weird noises. All right, so let me show you the paper collection. That we're going to do this one first. Okay, and let me show you what's in here. This is a Kaisercraft collection. Let me get it out of the little zippy. And this is called Memory Lane. I'm not going to open it. I don't think this one's open. Super pretty paper. It's like the really pretty soft sage green and wood. Ooh, that's kind of like what we're working on using right now. Is that like, ooh, that's pretty. Sometimes I use my paper collections when I'm making the mock-ups for things. I don't think I use this in a mock-up, but maybe for a different one. But it's super pretty. Right, so you get a whole 12 by 12 paper pad. You get the 6.5 inch paper pad collection, and then there's a box of the wooden embellishments. I don't know if this one actually went with the paper collection or not. It doesn't really say, but it's super pretty, so it should go with the paper collection. And then there is a set of die cut shapes, and it doesn't really show you a picture. But so the first comment that's picked on the comment picker will receive this collection. Let me get my post-it notepad so that I can write this down. Okay. So I've already pulled in the URL for the video number 8. I've already pulled in the comments, and now I just need to press start. Whoops. Okay, winner, Peg Mac 71. I love the addition of the flower spray on the flap. This is growing more gorgeous by the day. So I'm going to check to make sure you're a subscriber, and I'll be right back. Okay, congratulations. I don't know what your name is. It's Peg Mac 71. Congratulations. All you need to do is contact me via the special email down below, and we will get the ball rolling. Oh, I also wanted to say, to avoid making multiple trips to the post office, like I have not shipped out the winnings from last week yet. So those of you who won, I have not shipped out your winnings yet. I'm trying to wait till I hear from everyone for that week to ship them out, so I can only go there. So I only have to go to the post office once, okay? So this, like the people that are winning today, don't expect them in the coming week. It'll be the week after that, because I want to make sure that I don't have to make that many trips. Okay, so congratulations to Peg Mac. All right, and then the second set. Oops, did you hear my dog? The second set is Prima's Salvage, what is it called? Salvage District. All right. And there's a 12 by 12, it says collection kit, which, oh, they don't do that anymore, do they? This one's really old. This one's from 2015. Well, I guess it's not that old. 2015. They've got cut aparts in the back. Look at how pretty. Stickers. Remember when they used to do the sheet of stickers on the paper pad? 2 sheets of stickers. Oh, they don't do that anymore. The alphabet stickers. I never really did use a lot of alphabet stickers. Well, anyway, so you get, was it 4 of each page? There might, I don't know, there might be a page missing here. There. Ooh, that one's pretty. But anyways, so the paper pad. Oh, uh-oh, I'm just throwing stuff around here. There's the 6x6 paper pad collection, and we're missing some stickers. Oh, well, I'm sorry. There's stickers missing in here. I don't know how that happened. I must have needed them for something. Sorry about that. My son appeared. Sophie, no! Anyways, so even the small 6x6 paper collection has stickers and cut aparts. My dog. Bless her heart. So anywho's, and here is the 6x6. There might be a paper missing here and there. Oh, oh, look, I did use it for something. Look, you guys. Oh, well, I hope you don't mind, whoever wins this. Sophie, no, quit. See, when everybody's home, she gets a little bit more rambunctious. And then also, back then, they did this thing called Paintable. So this is a 6x6 watercolor paper pad. And I don't think I used it. I don't think I messed with it at all. And it's got like resist in it. You probably can't see that, but you see the little shiny bits. I don't know how. Let me see if I can find a better sheet. Well, some of them have black, but then some of them have like a resist. So super cute. Sophie shishy. So you'll get that paper pad, 6x6 paper pad. There's 12 sheets. I guess you use your, I don't think you get it wet and it turns that color. I don't think that's how it works. I don't know. I don't remember how it works. So then there is the 4x6 journaling cards. Yeah, I padded that. And then the 3x4 journaling cards. Spend the rest of your life laughing. Whoop! Well, that came flying out. So it looks like there might be something used out of here too. So you get that, and then there are 4 packs of flowers. Look at, even the packaging used to have some foil on it back then. That was before, I think, I don't know, did they foil papers back then? I can't remember. So there's a pack of those flowers. There's a pack of those, super pretty. pack of those. Those don't have any centers. I guess you could like build a flower. Those are kind of cool. I like those. Oh, there's 2 packs of these. No, 2 different packs. What is this? What we got going on here? I guess I just mix and matched. I don't know. I don't know. This supposedly only has 36 and this one has 100 pieces. I imagine they're probably in their wrong package. So anyway, so the next person that gets this paper collection, and what I'm going to do is pick another winner, and I'm going to hit start. I'm sorry, I'm so distracted. I guess there's too much going on in the house. I'm going to hit start. And Deborah, I am not going to try to pronounce that last name. I just said that, and now I'm going to try. No. This page came out so very pretty, Jennifer. Thank you for sharing. Okay, Deborah, I'm going to make sure you are a subscriber, and I'll be right back. Okay, congratulations, Deborah. I checked, and you are a subscriber, so you will, whoops. You will receive this paper collection. Also wanted to point out too, I don't know if I pointed this out earlier, that if you are international, again, I'm still not shipping international right now. So if you're international, then you'll receive a special coupon code to my Etsy shop. And then the paper collection will go back into the drawings. I guess it'll go back into the next drawing. That's the only way I could think to do it. And then after the last drawing for the month, if I have a bunch of paper collections that weren't claimed or were international winners, then I will have an additional drawing. So that is what I think I plan on doing. So both winners, congratulations to both of you. Contact me via that special email down below. So you guys have until August 20th. 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to contact me to collect your winnings. And then the next drawing will be August 21st. So be sure and make sure you're a subscriber and leave comments in the playlist. I have that link down below. All that information is below the video. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.